Salads are delicious. Consider ingredients that you have. Choose from tomatoes, cucumbers, and vegetables. Consider adding broccoli. Try a mixture of veggies like corn and carrots. Add cheese and raisins for flavor and texture. Try romaine hearts for lettuce. Add protein with walnuts. Think about adding berries. Add crunchy peppers. Seeds are a great addition. Top it all off with crispy veggies. Salads are delicious. Check out this channel regularly for great, easy, and tasty food ideas. Let's eat. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching.